Welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Lady V. Now, Lady V is talking about a big sister, started a big sister foundation, really, so that she could help, she and others could help, people or women basically that are going through different stuff in life. Because, everyone goes through something. And so she wanted to have a big sister foundation. I would think it's a foundation, something, where people could talk about how they're feeling and get the help, not just monetary help, but also advice, just someone being there for them and to talk to. So she's, reaching out, trying to have her audience and her do that. And that's a wonderful thing. So if you'd like to be a part of that, just head on over to Lady V's page and you could collaborate with her in whatever way it is that you can to help these other people that are having problems and that need help to get through in life. And thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel, and have a blessed day. Thank you all.
You have wife and pitney? Eh? You have married, you have husband, you have mortgage, you have this, you have that. And we start talk like dunce people. Very dunce people. You know mortgage, you know woman and pitney, you know man not stress you. So you know no problem. Me never know say a man stress are the only stress. Me never know say a mortgage stress are the only stress. Me never know say a certain things are the only stress. What about the childhood traumas? And what I realize, many parents are not equipped with the tools, to be honest, to help their broken and damaged family members, whether your child, your sibling, those who are trusted in your care. We do not have the tools to help them. Now, let this be stated. We have persons in our space that have the tools, but many persons didn't know persons were willing, able, and available. So in this live, it's me saying, I want to, let's come together and execute a big sister program. We want a mother who has two daughters like TT Pastor to say to her two daughters, Tiani and Liani. There's Auntie Valine, there's Auntie Ingrid, there's Auntie Nadia, there's Auntie Joan, and all the other names represented here, Auntie Lolo, Auntie Evelyn, that can help you. Whatever you're going through, I want you to trust these aunties to carry you through. They have seen it all, they have heard it all, they have lived it all, they have been there. There's Auntie Chit Chat, there's Auntie this, there's Auntie that. Now, this is not going to be a free-for-all program that just because you have a page on social media, I'm going to make you an auntie to the program. It will not happen. Just because you have a page on social media will not qualify you to be a uncle to the program. I have to get to know you as a human being on a different level. I have to get to know you as a person of compassion, empathy, understanding, but not just the basic understanding of left to right, right and wrong, but human comprehension. I have to get to know you that you do the right thing based on integrity first style of living, which is doing the right thing whether anyone will know or you will get glorified for it. Me feel like a chocolate this. Hey Vanilla, good night. I feel like a chocolate comment. So, hey chocolate, what's up, boo? I'm just making fun. So y'all don't get between me and chocolate. Me and chocolate is like, so y'all don't go between there, please and thanks. None of you. From over there, from over here, leave well enough and work. Me and chocolate like a this. on. Yeah. So we want to roll out a big sister program, right? Where even if a mother have a daughter that is struggling, the mother can then get the daughter to come on to the big sister program where we can help you. That's where the likes of Nadia Howen's daughter, Trained Eyes, can help. That's where Trained Eyes Valine can help. That's where Trained Eyes Ingrid Nugent can help. Nadia can help. Joan can help. Larissa, when she is available to help. I want the Trained Eyes to help. I want us to roll out a big sister program. And if the big sister program takes off, Lolo, we need a Latoya to come back on our grid. And if that takes off and it is bearing fruits, then we roll out a big brother program. Then that's where I'll bring in men, because I can't be a brother, I'm a female. That's when we'll bring in the likes of Mr. Adrian Warp from Jamaica, the Jerome Cowans, the Andre Blake Marriotts, and all the names that you'll know will make a difference. The Jeffrey Duprees, the Jamie Archibalds, the Septimus Rods, the men who will train boys how to be men, train average men how to be gentlemen. And this big sister program will not just be a thing where we come on social media and talk some stuff. We're going to train you in all the areas. We're going to teach you courtesies, differences, etiquette, these things. We're going to teach you how you sit. We're going to teach you how you speak. We're going to teach you to look in someone's eyes when you speak to them. We're going to teach you confidence. We're going to teach you self-esteem. We're going to teach you how to make yourself a priority. We're going to teach you how to be intentional. We're going to teach you soft business skills. These are some of the things you'll learn in the Big Sister program, because it's like a mentorship, right? We're going to teach you how to sit, how to cross your leg, how to get your posture up. Don't crunch when you sit. Don't sit like that. Sit like that. Open up the chest, open up, make yourself tall. We're going to teach you that you don't go in certain spaces with your arms exposed like that. We're going to teach you to put throws around you and stuff like that. We're going to teach you not to go to places looking like